everyone. I am Jennifer Antonino, your demonstrator for today. Before we proceed to the discussion, let's have a prayer first. Anyone who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, thank you, Mr. Denver. Please open your camera and turn on your mic. Okay, thank you. Good day, everyone. Before we proceed to the discussion, I have a online classroom etiquette, which find a place where you're comfortable and your internet is stable. And if you have a question, just raise your hand and turn on your mic, and please be on time because if you have late, I will not be accepting you anymore. And of course, respect each other. Um, and do not take photos of your or classmate, and then please turn off your mic when I am discussing. Okay? Okay, let's check our attendance. Please turn on your camera, and I will going to take a screenshot. Those who are not here in this screenshot are marked as absent. Mr. President, please write on the yellow paper all the names of the absent for today's and pass me on the other meeting. Okay, thank you, Mr. President. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, before we proceed to our lesson, let's review our previous lesson about preferred construction materials and tools. So, anyone who can summarize the previous topic? Okay, Miss Darren, please summarize. Okay, thank you, Miss Darren. Anyone? uh, who give me at least five types of tools and materials and carpentry? Miss Lay. Okay, precisely. Thank you, Miss Lay. Okay, are you ready for our motivation? Okay, I will show you the jumbled letter in this presentation, and anyone who can guess it will have additional 5 points in our short quiz. Anyone? Okay, thank you, Miss Carmina. You have a plus 5 for our short quiz is later. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Today, our topic is all about introduction to wood. In connecting to carpentry, when you heard the word carpentry, what is the first thing that comes into your mind? Anyone? Mr. Napoleon? Precisely. Thank you for the idea, Mr. Napoleon. So, please listen attentively because after the discussion, we will having a short activity. Okay? Okay, let's define first what is carpentry. Carpentry is a skilled trade in which primary work performed is the cutting, shaping, and installation of building materials. During the construction of building, shift, timber, bridges, concrete, and the form of work and others. So, when we say carpentry, ito ay isang bihasang kalakalan kung saan ang pangunahing gawain ay ang pagpuputol, paghubog, at pag-install ng mga materyales sa pagpapatayo ng mga gusali, barko, tulay, at kung ano pang konkretong anyo ng trabaho at iba pa. Let's proceed to the woodworking. Woodworking is the skill of making usable and functionable object from different types of wood. The example are the cabinet and furniture. So, ang woodworking ay kasanayan sa paggawa ng mga magagamit at functional na mga bagay mula sa iba't ibang uri ng kahoy. Ang example diyan is yung mga cabinet, furniture na nagagamit natin sa ating pamumuhay. Yon ang halimbawa po ng woodworking. Okay, let's proceed to the three forms of woodworking. Number one is wood carving. When we say wood carving, it is the action or skills of carving wood to make functional ornament or object. Ito po yung halimbawa po nito is yung paggawa ng mga structure or figurine na kinakarve para magkaroon ng anyo upang gawing pang display, pang benta, or something like that. Ang second naman is wood turning. Wood turning is a craft of using wood latte with handheld tools to cut a shape that is symmetrical around the axis rotation, like spatter wheel. Pag sinabing wood turning, ito yung paggawa ng mga symmetrical na mga anyo upang pagdugtungin ito para maging isang kapakipakinabang na kagamitan. And the last one is joinery. Joinery is a part of woodworking that involves joining wood. From itself, joinery, ito yung halimbawa nito is yung pagjo-joint ng mga pieces ng mga kahoy upang makabuo ng something mapapakinabangan, or ito yung pagbuo ng mga furnitures, cabinetry, yung mga ganon, yun yung mga joinery. Okay, let's proceed naman sa wood. What is wood? So, alam naman natin lahat na ang wood is kahoy. So, what is wood nga ba? The fibrous substance composing most of the stem and branches of a tree or shrub and laying beneath a bark. So, parts of wood. Number one is bark, the outermost layer of the stem and the roots of the woody plants. Ito yung pinakabalat ng kahoy. Bark serve as protection from anything that can destroy inner parts of the wood. Ito daw ay nagsiserving protection ng kahoy para ma-protect yung inner part ng kahoy. Yan yung matigas na parts ng wood na nakikita natin, yung balat. Yan. So, number two is cambium layer. The growing parts of the trunk is annually produce a new bark and new wood. It responds to harmonious that pass down through phloem and with food and leaves. As yung cambium layer, ito yung pinaka parang manipis na layer dun sa bago mag-bark. Yun yung mga pag naging nag-shred na yung yung bark, yun yung mga pumapalit na nagiging old or tumatanda para pumalit sa bark. Yun yung cambium layer. Susunod naman is sapwood. Outer living layers of the secondary wood of trees which engage transport water and mineral of the tree. So, yung softwood, ito yung kahoy na siya, but ito yung soft pa siya na ito yung nagki-carry ng mga waters and minerals sa buong kahoy. So, next is heartwood. Heartwood is central of tree. Its cells usually contain tannins or other substance that make it dark color and sometimes aromatic. It is also mechanically strong, resistant to decay, and less easily penetrated by wood preservative and chemicals than the other types of wood. So, yung heartwood, ibig sabihin, ito yung pinakamatigas na part ng kahoy, yung nasa gitna, yung may kulay na, iba na yung kulay kasi yun yung parang sinisiksik ng sapwood para maging heartwood siya na yung pinakamatigas na part ng kahoy. So, in the The next is feet. It is composed of undifferentiated parenchyma cells with function in storage of nutrients, and eudicots is located to the center of the stem. So yung feet, ito yung pinaka-center, ito yung pinaka-oldest part of the tree because sila yung unang na-form sa tree. So, let's proceed naman sa species of tree. Hardwood comes from deciduous. When we say deciduous, it is called broadleaves. On the other hand, are general term open grain woods because of porous cells extraction. Ibig sabihin pag sinabing hardwood, ito yung deciduous, ito yung mga may mga broadleaves or malalaking um, dahon. So, ang halimbawa nito is nara, kamagong, acacia, and mahogany. Sa susunod naman is sapwood. When we say sapwood, comes coniferous, needle-bearing tree termed close grains because they have very close unit and non-porous cell structure. The example of softwood are cocolumber, laneth, and gimeli. It's the end of our discussion. I know you have learned a lot for this day. Hey, so anyone can summarize our lesson? Yes, Mr. Marlon? Okay, thank you, Mr. Marlon. Very good. Okay, our lesson for today is about carpentry. What is carpentry? It is a skilled trade that is um, perform in cutting, shaping, installation of bridges, timbers, and concrete forms of work. And the types of woodworking is wood carving, wood turning, and joinery. And the parts of the wood is bark. It is the outer her part of the wood. Cambium layer. It is the thin part of the wood next to the bark. Sapwood, it is the part wherein it supplies the water and the mineral. And the hardwood, it is the central of the trees, it is mostly contains tannins and other substance. It is the types of wood wherein resistant or is strong to decay. Last is peat. It is the oldest types of it is the oldest parts of the tree. Hey, and the species of trees, hardwood. When we say hardwood, comes from deciduous. When we say softwoods, come from coniferous. So, do you have any question, violent reaction, or any suggestion? Nothing? Okay, thank you. So, please open your camera and I will going to ask the question. Okay, Mr. Manalili, how does the tree relate in your life? Okay, thank you for your beautiful answer. Please get 1/2 sheet of paper and for our short activity and send it to me after 5 p.m. Okay, I will pause here the question and answer it in the yellow paper. Okay? Do you have any question? Okay, that's all for today's. See you all again next meeting. Class dismissed and goodbye class. Thank you.